the angle of elevation of a cliff from a fixed point is 45 degrees. Okay. After going up a distance of 600 meters towards the top of the cliff at an inclination of 30 degrees, it is found that the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. Okay. Find the height of the cliff. Okay. See this. This is a cliff. Okay. Cliff means what? Mountain. Smaller mountain. I am standing over here at A. I look at the top of the mountain. I am finding it at 45 degrees. Okay. Now what do I do? I walk towards the cliff top at an angle of 30 degrees. Means I am not traveling straight now below horizontal. I am traveling this at a hypotenuse level. So I am traveling at 600 meters at the hypotenuse and at an angle of 30 degrees. Okay. Now I reach this point, that is called, we'll call this as D. Okay. This D point, and from here I look at B again, then I find it at 60 degrees. Okay. So find the height of the cliff, means we want the height H. Okay. Let's start. Okay. Tan 45 equals to BC upon AC, right? But tan 45 is 1, therefore BC equals to AC. That's okay. BC equals to AC. Next, let BF equals to X. BF means this short portion. BF equals to X. Tan 60 equals to BF upon DF. This BF upon DF, right? Okay. Therefore BF equals to DF equals to BF upon tan 60, right? DF here, tan 60 here. But BF we know, X upon root 3. Tan 60 is root 3. Okay. Now next, sin 30 equals to sin 30. See this, 30 is this. I am walking at a 30 degrees, right? So sin 30 equals to DE. DE means this short distance. DE upon hypotenuse 600, right? Therefore, DE equals to 600 into sin 30. Sin 30 I know half. So 600 into 1 by 2. That is 300. So what do I get now? I got this DE. I've got this DE now. What do I want? I want this total H. Right? DE I know 300 now. Now cos 30 equals to this 30. Cos 30 means adjacent upon hypotenuse. Okay. So cos 30 equals to AE upon 600. AE upon 600. Now AE I can find out then. Therefore AE equals to 600 into cos 30. But cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So 300 into root 3. Right. So AE is 300 root 3. Now what? Next, BC equals to AC because 45 degrees. Therefore BF plus FC. BF plus FC equals to AE plus EC. Right? Okay. Therefore BF is X plus FC is 300. We have found out this 300 just now above somewhere. It's given, I think so. Yeah. No, we have found out 300, right? So X plus 300 equals to AE plus EC. AE is what? 300 root 3. See this, AE plus EC. EC is what? This part, smaller part. That is X upon root 3. See this, DF equals to X upon root 3 DF, and this EC and DF are parts of a rectangle, right? Therefore this also X upon root 3. So X upon root 3. Now solve it for X. X plus 300 equals to 300 into 3 plus X upon root 3, right? This multiplication, take root 3 on the other side. Root 3x plus 300 root 3 equals to 900 plus X. Solve it for X. Therefore root 3x minus X equals to 900 minus 300 root 3. X into root 3 minus 1 equals to 900 minus 300 root 3. In fact, you can directly use this 1.73 earlier also. It becomes easier. So X into root 3 minus 1 equals to 300 root 3 common into root 3 minus 1. Don't do all these things in exam, stupidity. Directly do 1.73 and solve it. So use 1.73, multiply it and find it. So what happens? Why have I done this? Because what happens? See this. Root 3 is getting cancelled. That's why I've taken this common. So 900 can be written as what? 300 into 3. Right? And that 3 can be written as what? Root 3 into root 3. So 300 into root 3 into root 3. That is 900. So 300 root 3 I have taken common. And what remains inside the bracket? This root 3 from this 900 minus 1. Right? So root 3 gets cancelled. So x equals to what? 300 root 3 equals to 300 into 1.732. That is x equals to 519.6. Multiply this. So x, you got it. Height of the cliff is what now? X plus 300. 519.6 plus 300. 819.6 meters. That is the height of this cliff required. Okay. These problems need practice. Either you can solve this root 3 initially only, make 1.73, or as I have done it, do it at the end. Doing at the end will save one multiplication of yours, because doing this minus, and here you will have to multiply 2 times over here. Once for this and other 1.732. Yeah, here somewhere it will be. So both ways you can do it as per your convenience. Okay. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get these videos, test, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with